Okay, friends, it's day 2 of the reading rush, and I got my coffee, and the book of the day is Lucy Foley's The Guest List, and dressing similar to the book. All right, I'll let you know how it goes later. Hopefully, I get this book read today. Okay, check in later. Bye.
Cats are being goofy.
Okay, friends, it's still day 2, and I had a change of plans since in Texas it's been pretty hot. As you can see behind me, hopefully, it's been a cloudy day, so I decided to go ahead and read outside The Good Neighbors by Holly Black and Ted Nefay, and then it's Book 1, Ken, and I really liked it. I didn't think I would, but I really liked it. Now I need to go order some more. Alright, hopefully I can get through Lucy Foley's The Guest List today. I'll let you know if that happens. Bye. Okay, friends, it's now 7 o'clock. I finished one book this morning, and then I had to finish The Conductors that I had gotten from the e-art from NetGalley, so I needed to go ahead and do that and write a review. So now I'm going to attempt Lucy Foley's The Guest List. Hopefully I'll be able to finish it. It's not that long. It's just over 300 pages, so shouldn't take me that long. And I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, update on day 2. Sad, but I only got to page 158. So I'll finish it tomorrow. Alright. Hope everybody's having a good time. See ya. Bye. I'm going to end this video with 2 stories about books. One, when I was around 4 or 5, I would sit in my room with the Dr. Seuss books, and I would time myself to see how fast I could read a page without making a mistake, and then if I could get through every page in the book, then I would time myself on the whole book to see how fast I could read it without making mistakes. And that Dr. Seuss book was the I book. That was always my favorite to do that with, that one. And then another fun share is Ted Arnold. I have met Ted Arnold, and now he's famous for Fly Guy and his artistry with the bubble eyes. I call them bubble eyes. In 1996, it was my first week on the job as a teacher's aide, and I was an assistant, and I got to take a child to the library to join the 4th grade class that was listening to Ted Arnold read one of his new books, which was No Jumping on the Bed. And I remember him telling the story that he didn't include the dog, and his child was upset that he didn't include the dog. And I thought that that was funny because now the 25th anniversary book has a dog in there. But anyway, I got to meet Ted Arnold, who's famous for Fly Guy and what I call the bubble eyes. And to this day, I read all of his books. I buy all of his books. He was a very nice guy. He answered all the kids' questions. He genuinely loves children. And I just thought, wow, he's just too cool. And I mean, now he's writing short chapter books, picture books, and you can't go wrong with his books. But I appreciate what he did for the kids and talking to the kids, and I'm a 2nd grade teacher, and I still promote him today in 2020. So if you get a chance, read some of his books. I hope you like them as much as we do. Bye.